AI model, 3D DNN video for a hospital ERP system, will adjust the neural network structure as follows. Direct hit hospital ERP DNN structure. AI model by Pradeep K. Suri. The video and the 3D DNN Python program for the hospital ERP, 3D DNN network. Here is a comprehensive explanation of the video, structured from 4 key perspectives. Clapperboard explanation of the hospital ERP, 3D DNN network video. Hospital 1. Hospital operational perspective. This video demonstrates how artificial intelligence, using a deep neural network, DNN, enhances hospital workflows. Inputs include real-time patient data, diagnostics, equipment status, and operational factors. These inputs pass through 5 hidden layers, each performing complex calculations. Normalization, pattern detection, forecasting, allocation, and risk estimation. The output layer provides actionable insights like diagnosis suggestions, treatment plans, bed and resource allocation, billing forecasts, emergency alerts. White heavy checkmark result, more efficient patient handling, optimized resource usage, and minimized human error. 2 AI/ML architect perspective. This 3D DNN is a structured feed-forward neural network with multiple hidden layers optimized for clinical plus operational decision support. Layer-wise breakdown. Input layer, 12 neurons, feeds multidimensional hospital data. Hidden layer 1, pre-processing, sigma, wx plus b. Hidden layer 2, pattern detection, ReLU/softmax. Hidden layer 3, forecasting occupancy, resources, linear regression modules. Hidden layer 4, optimization of schedules and resources, genetic plus greedy techniques. Hidden layer 5, financial risk estimation, loss functions like ME, MSE. Output layer, 6 neurons, final decision outputs. Brain math behind it. Each hidden layer performs weighted sum and activation. A, L, equals F, W, L, A, L1, plus B, L, A caret, L, equals F, W caret, L, A caret, L1, plus B caret, L, A, L, equals F, W, L, A, L1, plus B, L. Man Health Worker 3. Clinical/doctor's perspective. The video helps doctors by reducing overload through automated triage and early diagnosis predictions, suggesting optimal treatment paths backed by real-time inputs, providing bed and ICU forecasts, helping manage emergency cases, monitoring critical vitals continuously via backend AI alerts. White heavy checkmark doctors can focus on care while AI handles data-heavy decision-making. Office Worker 4. Boardroom/management perspective. Hospital management benefits by visualizing operational bottlenecks using real-time analytics, optimizing financial outcomes, billing prediction, insurance claim matching, boosting hospital branding with smart automation and reduced errors, tracking KPIs like bed occupancy, discharge rate, and resource efficiency. Chart increasing DNN empowers data-driven governance across clinical, financial, and operational verticals. Pushpin final frame, impact summary. The DNN model designed by Pradeep K. Suri transforms hospital ERP into an intelligent ecosystem aligning patient care, operations, and finance through real-time AI. Thanks for watching.